display your drawings. Step 1. Download and print. Grab the free template from the link in the description and print it out. Step 2. Color it in. Grab page 1, pick your favorite colors and start coloring. Feel free to add fun patterns like dots, stripes, or wavy lines. Step 3. Make the slits. Ask an adult to help with this step. Place a piece of cardboard or a cutting mat under your page so you don't scratch the table. Then carefully cut along the bottom line of each box. The slit needs to be about 5 cm or 2 inches long for each box, except for the middle right one. That one will fit 2 characters and need to be 8 cm or 3 inches long. Step 4. Cut out page 2. Grab page 2 and cut out all of the shapes. Step 5. Flip and glue. Turn your colored poster over. Glue all the shapes onto the back in their matching spots, except for the oval. Save that oval for when we start drawing our characters later. Step 6. Start drawing cute characters. Remember the oval? The oval helps you to know how big the character's drawing should be, so they fit in the poster. And there you have it, your very own comic strip poster with hidden pockets. Now that your poster is ready, it's time to fill those pockets. Check out my Sanrio fan art series and let's draw some cute characters together. See you there!